Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Julia and I'm so happy you're here. Today we're talking about the TOEFL test for 2025. Don't worry if you're a beginner. This video is for you. I'll explain everything in simple words and we will go step by step. If you are new here, I make videos to help you learn English and feel confident. So hit that subscribe button and let's get it started. Okay, what is the TOEFL? TOEFL means Test of English as a Foreign Language. It's a test for people who want to study or work in English-speaking countries like the United States or Canada. If you pass the TOEFL, you show schools or jobs that your English is good. Ready? Let's do this. This is a huge book. This is the official TOEFL preparation book. So, watching on TOEFL 2025 test. The test has 4 parts: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Let's talk about each one. Reading. In the reading part, you read short articles. These articles are like that you see in school, about history, science, or culture. You read, then answer questions. For example, you might read about animals, then answer, what does the animal eat? The reading section in 2025 will have shorter passages than before. That's good news. It means less to read. You'll have about 35 minutes to answer 20 questions. Listening. In the listening part, you listen to conversation or lectures. For example, you might hear two students talking about school or a teacher talking about biology. Then you answer questions about what you heard. In 2025, the listening section will include peer-to-peer conversations. That means students talking to each other like friends. It's about 36 minutes with 28 questions. Speaking. The speaking part is where you talk. You answer 4 questions. One question is about your opinion, like, do you like to study alone or with friends? The other 3 questions mix reading, listening, and talking. For example, you might read a school announcement, listen to students talking about it, then explain it in your answer. Each answer is short, 45 or 60 seconds. You get 15-13 seconds to prepare. In 2025, one task might be a virtual interview, like talking to a computer. Cool, right? Writing. In the writing part, you write 2 things. First, you read a short article, listen to a lecture, and write about both. Second, you answer a question like you're posting online. For example, what's the best way to study? In 2025, there might be an email task, and you write a short email. You get about 30 minutes for writing. That's the TOEFL. 4 parts: reading, listening, speaking, writing. Don't worry if it sounds hard. We'll talk about how to prepare next. Got it? If you have questions, write them in the comments below. Okay, let's talk about how to prepare for the TOEFL as a beginner. Don't worry, you don't need perfect English to start. You just need a plan. Here is the steps to get ready. Know the test. You already know the 4 parts: reading, listening, speaking, writing. Go to the TOEFL website ets.org to see sample questions. They are free. Try one question from each part to understand the test. It's like trying food before you cook. You need to know the test. Build your vocabulary. Vocabulary is super important for TOEFL. Start with simple words you see in school, like environment, culture, or education. Make a list of 10 new words every week. Write them down, say them out loud, and use them in sentences. For example, the word is environment. Sentence: I care about the environment, so I recycle. Try it. Say your sentence with the environment in the comments below. Speak a little every day. Speaking is scary for beginners, but you can do it. Practice saying simple sentences at home. For example, answer this: what's your favorite food? Try it now. Say, my favorite food is... You can also use apps to practice speaking. Record yourself and listen. It helps you feel confident. Write simple sentences for the written part. Start small. Write one sentence every day about your life. For example, today I studied English for 30 minutes. Then try writing a short paragraph, like 4 or 5 sentences. Use simple words and check your grammar. You can use free apps like Grammarly to help. Know the test, learn words, listen, speak, and write. Do a little every day and you'll get better. Use YouTube. YouTube is your friend. Watch channels and listen pronunciation. Practice with friends. Find a friend who's also studying for TOEFL. Practice speaking together. Ask each other questions like, what's your favorite movie? Or why do you want to study abroad? It's fun and you learn faster. Take free practice tests. Go to ets.org or bestmytest.com for free TOEFL practice tests. Do one section at a time. For example, try the reading part one day, then listening the next day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are okay. When you speak or write, you might say something wrong. That's how you learn. For example, if you say I go to store instead of I go to the store. That's fine. Keep practicing and you'll improve. Stay positive. Studying for TOEFL takes time. Some days it's hard, but you're doing great. Every word you learn, every sentence you say gets you closer to your goal. Believe in yourself. You can do it. Wow, we covered a lot today. We talked about the TOEFL 2025 test, reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Here is your homework. Watch the TOEFL videos on YouTube this week. Learn 5 new words and use them in sentences. Practice speaking one sentence about your day. Write in the comments what you learned today or ask me a question. I read every comment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy English videos. Hit the bell so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. You are amazing. And I know you can pass the TOEFL. See you next time. Bye bye.